Hi everyone, my name is Pooja Gandhi and welcome to my course using calculated fields in Tableau Desktop. I'm a lead analytics engineer at Pluralsight, two-time Tableau Zen Master, and co-founder of a popular data visualization blog, theDataDuo.com. Tableau helps people see and understand their data, but you need to know the why and the how behind data and analytics in order to be effective. This course is designed to help you understand calculation concepts in Tableau. Some of the major topics that we will cover include learning the differences between various types of calculations you can perform, discovering how granularity impacts calculations. We will also learn how you can use logical calculations in conjunction with parameters, and understand how table calculations work. And finally, we will dive into understanding level of detail expressions and how they can be used to answer complex business questions. By the end of this course, you will know how to write and use 50 different calculation functions to overcome analytical challenges. Before beginning the course, I recommend being familiar with getting data into Tableau Desktop from various common sources, and be able to successfully create a variety of common charts in Tableau Desktop. But don't worry, even if you're a beginner, I'm confident you will be successful with this course. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to effectively solve business problems with the Using Calculated Fields in Tableau Desktop course at Pluralsight.